The Australian Tax Office is targeting a number of areas this tax time, including investment property and vehicle claims, and it's warning those profiting from the sharing economy, like AirBnB hosts and Uber drivers, to declare your income. Mark Alaprandi has been an Uber driver for nearly 3 years.
It's a pleasant way to earn a living.
That living is considered income and needs to be declared to the tax office.
I use an accountant because they know exactly how to deal with things. Like income-wise, depreciation's a big thing that I don't have a great deal of knowledge about.
Uber drivers aren't the only ones in the sharing economy which the ATO is targeting this tax time.
All the way through to people who might be providing accommodation at their house, or they might also be doing a task for someone through something like Airtasker.
With more cars on the road and investment properties built, the ATO is taking even more notice and has these 3 golden rules for deductions. 1, you must have paid the expense. 2, it has to be related to earning your income. And 3, you have to have a record to prove it.
If you don't have a receipt, don't always think that that's the end. Sometimes if you review your bank statements or your credit card statements, in certain circumstances that can have enough information to still claim a deduction.
There are some misconceptions though, like claiming a standard deduction.
So for some reason people seem to confuse the fact that if your deduction is under a certain amount, you might not have to provide as much evidence of your spending. But the rule still stands that you can't claim it if you didn't actually pay for it.
And workwear.
Another misconception is that you can claim everyday work clothes like black pants or a white shirt, something like that. You can't claim it unless it is a uniform or protective clothing.
That doesn't mean you shouldn't ask your accountant to maximise your return.
The biggest mistake I see for individuals is not asking your accountant whether or not something's deductible.
If you're a small business, check your personal bank statements.
Oftentimes there's a business deduction or business expenses that they paid for personally. You don't want to miss out on those deductions.
Remember, the digital world has made it easier for the ATO to cross-check claims, so it's best to get it right.